Right, where are we? Realistically, with the supercharger kit for my Mark 6 ST150. Well, mate, it's supercharger ready now. If I had £4,600, I could go straight down to Jamsport, get it tuned up, get the supercharger kit put on, job done. Don't need to spend another penny. However, it has got the original clutch in it, and it has got the original gearbox as well. So I'm just wanting to take a step back and buy these additional things just to ensure it's absolutely solid and it'll make the drive home, do you know what I mean? Because it could quite last, you know, for months and months with the original gearbox setup, the original clutch setup, but I don't want to risk that, and I'd rather go the extra mile. Also as well, Jamsport, there's a lot of people on here that say the ST150s, the chains will go forever, but they have suggested if I am getting it supercharged, I will need a chain as well. So I think I'm going to opt for a brand new chain. At the minute, as it stands, I can get 290 brake horsepower with the supercharger kit. If I get a new inlet manifold, which is the only thing I'm missing, I can take it straight up to 310 bhp. But again, that's optional. So we're about there with it. Again, it's just getting the money together now, mate, and it'll be supercharged and we'll be off and ready. Do you know what I mean? So everyone have a banging day for me, and I'll see everyone top end.